y'all doing today, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's Shoot with Zell, and as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be going over how to fly with a firearm. When flying with a firearm, well, let's run that back real quick. Watch this video, but make sure you do your own research if you are flying with a firearm. Make sure that you research the guidelines that the airline you choose to fly with, so you're not going over anything unnecessary or having to deal with any drama. Make sure you understand what you're getting yourself into before you do it. Also, make sure you go ahead and look at that state that you are flying to. Me, I have my non-resident Utah concealed carry license. I'm good to fly in about 36 other states. I also have my home state carry license. So where I'm traveling to today, which is Louisiana, I can go ahead and carry in that state legally, concealed and open carry if I choose to. When it comes to flying with the firearm, you can't just throw it in the bag and think that you're going to be okay. It has to go inside of a hard-sided plastic case or a metal case, but it has to be a hard-sided case. When it comes to choosing a lock, my preference is using a lock that only I have access to. You have to package the firearm correctly, meaning you can't have one in the head. The firearm has to be unloaded. Your ammunition can't be loosely packaged. Can't be scattered all over the box or just thrown in there. The ammunition has to be, I put my ammunition in the magazine and I don't have any issues. Also, I travel with another box of 50 ballpoints and I go ahead and put that in the slot that I have cut out of the memory foam. I chose to cut out the memory foam for the firearm, the ammunition, and the magazines to make sure that everything is securely packed. It's not rolling around. It's not going to shake from side to side and move. That's what I chose to do. I suggest you follow suit. All right, so as you see, the firearm is unloaded. There's no magazine in the mag well. Ammunition is packaged in its original package, secure, not going anywhere. This cutout was originally for blazer brass. Magazines are loaded with hollow points to there. And this is how I carry my firearm when I am traveling. This is how I package it. So we're gonna lock this up, go in, get our boarding pass, make it do what it do. Now you can't get in there. There is no more opening that up. All right, I'm sorry? Yes, ma'am. Would you like my ID or boarding pass? There you are. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Do I have permission?
Do you also mind signing the back?
Yep.
No electronic cameras like that.
No, ma'am.
All right, everybody, this is me. I'm back again, and I just wanted to say thanks for watching this video. If you can't tell already, this process is very simple. You just have to make sure that you're following directions, and you'll get to where you're going safely. I appreciate everybody who tuned back into the channel. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on the next one.